Here we go again. The battle continues. It's an ongoing effort. Dharitri and Odisha Post together for the past several years have been carrying out the onerous task of congregating, of bringing together all field level, grassroots level environmental activists who do not have a voice, who are unheard of. We wish to bring them forward and bring them to limelight so that they can get help, they can be given the support that they deserve in their struggle from recovering homes for the sparrows who have virtually vanished. And I remember when I was a much younger man, at that time sparrows were all over, including our own home, which was in Cuttack. And that is also primarily because those homes had thatched roofs, chalaghara. So sparrows could live there. Now with concrete buildings, concreted roads, and virtually the human habitation is becoming treeless, it is impossible for birds and natural environment to survive. So the effort of Dharitri and Odisha Post is to ensure that we get back to nature, we adore nature in its pristine beauty, and we also try to understand how it can prosper, how nature can grow, how it can be beneficial to all of us when the natural habitats of insects, birds, animals, all of them live with us. Then life becomes easy for us. We are very selfish, but that selfishness should not be manifest by destroying other creatures. Instead, if we learn to cohabit with them and make them welcome, then that part becomes easy for all of us. So that is the effort of Dharitri and Odisha Post. This is the 52nd year of Dharitri, and to celebrate that, today and tomorrow, 2 days are dedicated for Mother Earth, for Dharitri, that is Mother Earth, and we wish that Odisha becomes an icon, a global icon, not just in this country, but a global icon where people would like to follow Odisha in its efforts to revive nature.